Jose Mourinho's side were unable to beat the Earthquakes, who have just 2 wins from 19 in the MLS this season, in a drab game in front of a sparse crowd at the home of the San Francisco 49ers. Here are 5 talking points from the stalemate in Santa Clara. 1. Sanchez shines on first pre-season outing. Alexis Sanchez only joined up with the United squad 48 hours ago, but was pitched straight into the action against the San Jose Earthquakes and impressed. After a first summer off since 2013, much is expected of Sanchez this season, and the forward was sharp and alert here, at the heart of United's best attacking moments, and lifting a moribund game with his pace, movement and guile. 2. Valencia injury stretches Mourinho's full-back options. United skipper Antonio Valencia was forced off with what appeared to be a calf injury after just 7 minutes, further depleting Jose Mourinho's already restricted full-back options. With Ashley Young on an extended break following the World Cup, new signing Diogo Dalot injured and Daley Blind having rejoined Ajax, Mourinho can ill afford to lose any full-backs before United's Premier League opener at home to Leicester on August 10th. 3. Shaw struggles to prove his worth. Luke Shaw is facing a make-or-break season, his 5th at United, with Mourinho ready to give him one last chance to establish himself as first-choice left-back. After an impressive outing in the tour opener against Club America in Phoenix, Shaw regressed here, nutmegged in the first half by Nick Lima, who gave the United defender a tough time down his flank in the first 45 minutes. Shaw had a chance to score early in the second half, but his effort was so wayward it knocked a mobile phone out of the hand of a gentleman standing to the side of the San Jose Earthquakes goal. 4. United need Fred to liven up midfield. Mourinho started with 17-year-old midfielder James Garner in the middle, and the academy graduate acquitted himself well, playing with diligence and a composure beyond his years. But he was replaced at the break by Scott McTominay, who did little wrong but added little impetus to United's midfield. Against that backdrop, United's £52 million summer signing Fred, who will join up with the squad in Los Angeles this week, cannot arrive quickly enough to give some much-needed energy and purpose to the midfield, along with Nemanja Matuc, who has joined the squad but was absent here. 5. Grant gives Mourinho food for thought. United goalkeeper Lee Grant, signed from Stoke this summer, came on as a second-half sub for Joel Pereira and impressed in his 45-minute outing, just as he did in the opening game of the tour against Club America. With Pereira set to go out on loan this season, Grant will ostensibly be United's third-choice keeper behind No.1 David De Gea and his understudy, Sergio Romero, who is on the tour but remains injured. Grant produced a fine save at full stretch with 20 minutes left to deny Tommy Thompson, and may yet put pressure on Romero in the role of backup to De Gea.